What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable modern anti-spam protection to your WordPress forms and basically how to bulletproof your forms against spam into the simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter with your domain plus WP-admin, enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus on the WordPress dashboard, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. This only gonna work in the case that you are using the WPForms plugin. In the case that you don't know how to install, search for the plugin name to the upper right corner, click on Install Now, click into the Activate button. This is going to redirect you to the plugins list, a list where you can see all of the present plugins on your site. And if you review the WordPress left sidebar of menus, you're going to be able to find a new menu. Call it WP Forms. Click on it. The plugin going to create for you automatically one form. You can place this form into your page in the case that you want, but the simplest way to enable modern anti-spam protection into this form, it's clicking into the contact form or the form name that you have made. Review the left sidebar of menus. We have setup, fields, settings, marketing and payments. Go to settings. Now we have general, spam protection and security, themes, notifications and confirmations. Okay, let's choose spam protection and security. And right here into the first option we have protection. Behind the scenes spam filtering that's invisible to your visitors. In my opinion, the best part is this one right here, enable modern anti-spam protection. And you can enable this as well, enable minimum time to submit. Imagine that the user must fulfill the form, so it can be that fast. If it's fast, maybe some robot, maybe some spam. So choose a minimum amount of time. The users must spend at least 3 seconds into my form before submission to be possible. This gonna reduce dramatically the spam on your site. So all you have to do is hit the orange button into the upper right corner of the screen to save the change. Place this form on your page and start collecting leads without spam. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I see you guys tomorrow. All the best!